The JMCQ DVR recorder uses the latest technology. Supports wireless CarPlay and Android Auto functions. You can easily and safely make calls, listen to audio, send and receive messages, use navigation, support Siri, and more. In CarPlay mode, you can use Siri voice for GPS navigation. The Dash Cam features a large 10.26-inch display integrated into the rearview mirror. This provides a sizable and easily accessible interface for various functions. Wireless CarPlay and Android Auto supports wireless CarPlay and Android Auto functionality, allowing seamless integration with your smartphone for hands-free communication, navigation, and entertainment. 4K Dash Cam. The Dash Cam is capable of recording video in 4K resolution, providing high-quality footage for clear and detailed visuals. Dual-lens DVR incorporates a dual-lens design for simultaneous recording of the front and rear views of the vehicle. This dual-lens setup ensures comprehensive coverage and documentation of your journeys. GPS functionality includes GPS functionality for real-time tracking and location-based data. This can be beneficial for navigation, route tracking, and recording the vehicle's location during video playback. 24-hour parking mode features a 24-hour parking mode that can automatically initiate recording when the vehicle is parked. This enhances security by capturing incidents or events that may occur while the car is unattended. O connectivity offers O connectivity, allowing you to connect external devices for additional audio input. This can be useful for playing music or other audio content from external sources. Multifunctional design integrates multiple functions into one device, combining the features of a rearview mirror, dash cam, GPS navigator, and entertainment system.